Hello, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you how to install the Spotify application to your Android TV without any issues. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I want to show you this TV box I'm currently using called S5 Max Sling TV box, and it's very good with 4K images and 4K videos. Also, it comes with various applications, some basic applications, and it has an app store. Now, not all applications are in the app store, so you can also add an other app store if you're interested in more applications. Here are the various applications in these app stores, and there are lots of them, and they're very nice applications. You can just go ahead and try out. So let's try out one of the applications like my VOD. It gives you videos on demand. Also, there's another application like my TV. It gives you channels that you can watch on your Sling TV box. So these are some of the applications in this TV box. This TV box has 116 gigabyte space, and also it is very affordable. If you want to know more, check the description on this video. There is a link that is going to lead you to where you see all the features of this TV box. Now let's continue. Now this is my Android TV box, and I'm going to be using it. If yours doesn't look the same, the process is the same. Just follow the process and not the video. So what you have to do in your Android TV box is try to locate your Google or your browser. It should be Chrome or whatever browser you have. So I have Google, and I'm just going to go to it. Now once you go over to Google, please log into Google. If you don't know how to log into Google, there's a video in the description that's going to help you to log into Google. Once you log into Google, what you have to do is simple. What you have to do is simple. Just go here and search for the application Spotify. The reason I'm asking you to log into Google is because once you log into Google, every Google services is going to be available on the browser, even the Play Store. So once you come here, just search Spotify app. So I'm just going to search it here, Spotify app. You can just search also Spotify. You just search Spotify app. Anyone you're okay with. So Spotify app, and there are lots of options. Spotify so I'm just going to go with this Spotify app for Android TV, and we see the results we get. Alright, so since we're logged into Google, we're going to see results like this from Play Store. So what I have to do is simple. I just go over here. For a device, we need to use location accuracy. No, I don't need this. So as you go over here, please go with the one that has lots of views and recommendations. So I'll go for this because this is the real Spotify application. So if you're logged into Google, of course, just going to lead you to Play Store, which you can just go ahead and click the install button, and Spotify is going to be installed to your Android TV box without any issues. If you found this video helpful, please drop me a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this.